welcome again, and now we will make some pao, and I have taken around 4 cups of flour. So my measuring cups are this: 2 teaspoons of active yeast or instant yeast, whatever is available, and prove it in warm water with sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then either you add it directly or you can prove it in lukewarm water, not very hot, not very cold, or milk you can add, whatever you want, and salt, very little salt, and knead it to a soft dough and keep it for proving. 2 proving comes for pao. So today I am going to make pao and Katre Pao. So let's do that. So now I will knead it to a soft dough. So my dough is ready. Now it will go for proving. Cover this, keep it in a warm place. Then we will do shaping and again proving. So here is our flour. It's double the volume, so we will release the air from this. Get it on the platform and start giving shape how you want. So dust some flour. And now you can give a shape how you want. So we cut this into 2 half and make of this how many rolls you want to make. And again we have to leave this for proving. Small big breads, it's up to you. Bigger if you take, then bigger balls, then big it will become. Smaller then smaller. So now let's roll this because we want like our Goan Pao. Spin this and then hold this. Tray which is ready for this. The same way do like that only. For home, when you are making bread, don't bother to see the sizes, exact sizes. If it is for restaurant or you are selling it, then yes. If you want to see the detail of how to make breads, more details than this, what I have showed for this pav bhaji recipe, then you have to watch my bread. There are different types of breads there. So this is done. We'll add a muslin cloth on it and keep it aside for another 20 to 25 minutes. Again, it has to be double the size. Now I will show you Katre Pao of Goa. So Katre is Caesar, so we take again stretch it out. Some flour. And give a cut on both the sides and then stretch it. Leave it for cooking. The same way, I will show you. So that is one type of Katre Pao, and then we have also like this. Enjoy Goan Katre Pao. And here is our Katre breads. I will again keep it for 20 minutes, and then we have to bake this. Just apply some oil if you want, milk you want, or water, and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees. So let's brush some whatever you want to. So anything liquid you want to brush on top. Milk, water, some likes egg, but this is like pure veg, just normal Katre Pao. Now we'll bake this in preheat oven. So 20 minutes I had preheated my oven 180 degrees, and now I will bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. I'll show you the final result. we'll put so our breads are ready now, and let it cool down, then I will show you later again. And then next lot, apply some again whatever liquid you want to apply. Same temperature for 25 minutes.
And it's ready. Goan Katre Pao, Goan Katre Pao, and Goan Uno. Thank you.
Another lot of our Goan breads, Goan Katre breads. तो रेजान आनी एक बॅच हांवें केलो ते खाल्ले आनी मागीर आमी हांवें पुत्तून पीठ मोवलें आनी आनीक घेतलें and here it is. It's almost getting ready. And here is our home bread, that is our Katre Pao, then our rolls and our undo and some other. Hope you all will enjoy baking with Val Quick Tips and Tricks. Thank you. Devare Guru. Enjoy homemade our Goan breads. These are all our Goan breads. Make it at home and enjoy. This is all like our undo, then Katre and Pao. Thank you.